someone set up here. Someone lives under here. Who lives here? You understand? So I'm showing you in and around different parts of Croydon. This is where somebody lives. You understand, people, yeah? So the conditions of inside of the city, yeah. Cars come underneath here, but like I said to you, when all these business places were active with stores, you understand? Somebody lives here. The last floor has been blocked off. This is also Croydon, though, people, yeah, that you guys have been seeing me in. You guys don't know this part of Croydon. It smells rank underneath there. If you ever know about the nightclub called the Blue Orchid, it got closed down after incidents happened here. But yeah, man, this point here, this must know about this, people, yeah. This was once Alder's big department store, people, yeah. And as you can see where we are, yes, sir. You understand? So, yeah, man, do check out Croydon FM, you understand? Originals as well, people, yeah. Are good vibes. How you doing, sir? You right?
I'm good, thank you, sir.
What's this building?
This is the town hall.
The town hall?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
That's all right.
Thank you. It's just drifted and drifted and drifted and drifted. But as the place, oh look, you can see that somebody also lives in here. Right around the corner, beside it is the Crown Court. So all this building here is the Magistrate Court, people, yeah? This underground setup, this massive underground setup right here in Croydon, people, yeah? Good vibes. Barclay Road, and you've got the Crown Courts just around the corner. I'm not gonna go around there, but as you can see, they're right next to each other, people, yeah? All right. So I just want to say to each and every one of you that has got a roof over your head, including myself, we are very blessed. Welcome everybody to 24 Hour Kitchen, our good vibes. Where we're there outside, people, yeah? And this is a side of Croydon where you don't really see this part of Croydon. You understand, people, yeah? The rough, rural parts of Croydon, people, yeah? I'm just gonna show you, we're on a journey tonight. Big up yourself. 24 Hour Kitchen is freezing cold, people, yeah? Outside, our good vibes. The train is just cutting through. And we're there, people, yeah? We're on a journey. You understand? Today I'm gonna take you on a journey. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, people, yeah? Big up my people, them! A good vibe. Croydon's built up of enough cribs and corners, people, yeah? Yeah, man, we're just on the move right now. Our good vibes. Boy, people, so what I'm walking under here, yeah, is like the flyovers on top of me here. And as you can see, there's bare graffiti in and around the place, people, yeah. So our good vibes. I've never really shown you guys this aspect of Croydon Sedway, but you understand? Our good vibes. Don't forget to subscribe on the journey, people, yeah. And welcome all my new subscribers that's just come through on the journey as well. Big up you guys, you understand? I hope you guys are enjoying the videos on the channel and enjoying the journey. You understand that we're all on giving back to the local community and helping the homeless. You understand? Our good vibes. So where we are here, this part of Croydon here, people, yeah, I'm just gonna go over to this point over here and just give you guys a little bit of history. Remember that there's a tattoo studio here, and this which is a church now, what I'm going back into a little bit of history, this was once a gym, and I was working at this gym, and the time when I was working at the gym, right over here, this is when the Croydon riots took place, people, yeah, and we're here right at Reeves Corner, people, yeah, and I was right opposite when I saw this building here, which was once a building, a furniture building, and it was on flames, which is no longer here. But they've got all this here is like a memorial site, people, yeah? You understand? That day, across these streets, in this part of town here, was manic, you understand? I don't know if you guys heard about the Croydon riots in regards with the Mark Duggan incident more than a decade ago, but that left a big, what would I call it? It left a big trauma on Croydon and the residents that live in Croydon, you understand? It took a lot away from the city as well. The dynamics of the city has never been the same since then. So if you've lived in Croydon and has been in Croydon for a period of time, you would know some of these histories, people, yeah? All right, let me spin around the camera and I'll show you. There's two sections to the store that was here, the furniture store. So welcome to the house of Reeves. And this furniture store here, people, yeah, was here. It was serving the community for decades and decades and decades, which this is one of their brother or mother store connected with this store, which was here as well. So, and it's been here since 1860. Can't see the rest of it, but you can, let me go up close so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, people, yeah? Just a little bit of history on Croydon, you understand? So this has been here since 1860 something, maybe like 1867, 1861, but as you can see, it's been there for hundreds of years and it's still serving original furniture to this day, like that old school looking style furniture, people, yeah? And right here was the other store, which was Reeves Corner, which was the House of Reeves, which was the furniture store, and right opposite was a gym, and I was working in this gym. And when the riots kicked off, there was manic on the road, people, yeah? So yeah, that's just one part of Croydon here, you understand? Our good vibes. So this store here, what we've got, this supermarket, what was there before was it was a Croydon Inn shop, which it had loads of little department stores, like mini, like what I showed you in Brixton. If you go back in the Brixton, you got the arcades that you can walk through, people, yeah? So it had loads of people that had little CD stores in there back in the day. It had little photo studio back in the day, people doing barbering, hairdressing. Also, they had a little cafe in there as well, people, yeah? So yeah, man, that's a look of history there. Where Lidl is right there, that wasn't the store that was there like 15 years ago. So that's a look of development and improvement in this part of town. Our good vibes with their people, yeah? Just showing you where I go on, giving you a little bit of history about the place, you understand? I hope you enjoyed this video, people, yeah? Our good vibes. The market row here has also been serving the community here for quite some time. As you can see up there, says 1907. So could you imagine when that furniture store where we just come from, the furniture store that we just come from that's been burnt down, could you imagine it was around the same time as this market was booming back in the day 100 years ago? You understand? Because this market there is one of the oldest markets here in the UK as well, people, yeah? So yeah, man, our good vibes. Yes, people, so where we are right now, yeah, this building here is called Alma House. Alma House. I'm going to give you a little bit of history of Alma House. Alma House was originally here like 400 years ago, people, yeah? So you have to know that this is part of Croydon's significant history, people, yeah? You understand? Right here. So as you can see the writing above the door, who can translate this for me, people, yeah? Put it in the comment section right now if you can translate this to me. You understand? Look at these doors. These blue doors represent the time lapse of how long this building has been here, people, yeah? Big old door, you understand, people, yeah? All right, so like I said, who can tell me what that means? Our good vibes. So the man of York here, he commissioned the windows here, and the man of York, you could imagine, why the Whitgift Centre is called the Whitgift Centre, yeah, because of John Whitgift himself, the man of York. He himself would have probably, Whitgift Centre would have been probably called after him as well, people, yeah, as John Whitgift. There's a few places in Croydon called Whitgift, like there's a Whitgift private school as well, people, yeah. Alright, we're there, people. Just a little bit of history there, sir. But if you ever come, there's some significant points here in Croydon, people, yeah, are good vibes. Okay, look at this. So the building's here, right at the front here, and at the side of the building here, it shows what it was, the Hospital of the Holy Trinity, founded by the Archbishop Whitgift in 1596. Show you that there. You understand, people, yeah? Alright, good vibes. This building here in Croydon.
लेफ्ट हैंड को राइट हैंड नहीं बताया हमको ये रहता है कि मैं लोगों को बुला लिया
So what we've also got right beside us here as well is another building, which this building here used to be called Alders, a department store, which is now abandoned, not being used. It was a big, massive department store that provided furniture, all essential things that you could imagine that you could want for your yard would have been in this department store here, Alders, and it's like a walk through as well. Let me just go across the road so that you can see where I go on, people, yeah? So when you see buildings looking like this, you know that these buildings here, this one here, you know that it's significant because it's still got its originality, you understand, its original design. So you could imagine that if they were going to put something else here, this whole front and design here will stay the same to hold that history of the place, people, yeah. But this was once Alders, big department store, people, yeah. And as you can see where we are, yes sir, you understand, businesses have also been closed down on this little strip here, you understand. So this road that I'm on there is called George Street, people, yeah. Croydon provides tram link services that travels to Elmer's End, Fairpier Lane, New Addington, Wimbledon. So it's very, very good for commuting as well. Croydon is one of them places that is also good for commuting as well, you understand? It's got good public transport in service as well. A town that is so built up and that looks like this still has a side to it that's hidden from the general public that even live and has been here for years. Unless you go to different places in different parts of the town, you'll probably never see other sides to Croydon, people. But as you can see, we're here, and this is part of the flyover as well. Let me just go across the road and show you. So what Croydon offers as well, everyone, yeah, Croydon also offers higher education studying facilities as well, such as right here, what we've got here is a college. So Croydon's got a college, and right opposite us here was the home to Nestle building. So if you know Nestle, that does the chocolate Nestle, the drink Nestle. I think this is where their headquarters were, people. Yeah, look at this big old massive building, which is now derelict. It's unused. We'll go over there in a short while. But I just wanted to show you this part here, which also is the learning facility of Croydon as well. So Croydon also has a college. It has a university as well. We're just going to show you that just now, people, yeah. So our good vibes. So here we've got the yard of the college, people, yeah. So this is Croydon College here, people, yeah. And this is one section to it. And as we come over here, remember we've got some buildings and that over there. I want to go and show you over there as well. And this part of Croydon here, down here, I want to show you through here, people, yeah. All right, good vibes. There's something down here. I want to show you guys. You need to stay tuned, people, yeah. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Good vibes. Over here what they have, look, same way in town now, looks like there's development going on in said way. So the middle of out here, this once used to be some form of car park and you could drive down there and steps and whatnot, but it's all derelict off right now and boarded up, and this is part of the college facility. You got the higher education that was over there, the university, Croydon University, and what you've got here, yeah, the Ashcroft Theatre, which here, you got the Ashcroft Theatre, which is right there. But what is significant, and also home to Croydon as well, people, that everyone that's watching, my people them right now, you should know this as well. This is Fairfield Halls, yeah? So do your research, put in the comment section right now if you're watching this video. If you're watching this right now, people, yeah, put it in the comment section what you think this building here serves purpose for. And if you know, I'll tell you if you're correct. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but Croydon here carries a lot of history, people, yeah? You understand? We're there, sir. And right opposite us there, yeah, is the clock tower. And over there as well is also the Queen's Garden. We're going to go over to the Queen's Garden as well, people, yeah? But Fairfield Halls, who knows what Fairfield Halls was used for? All right, let me tell you what Fairfield Halls is used for. Fairfield Halls is used for, it's the grand meeting point for witches all over the UK, people, yeah? So last year or the year before, they held their festival or their meeting right here at Fairfield Halls, people, yeah? You understand? So if you never know, have we got any witches or wizards watching us today, people, yeah? Put it in the comment section if you are watching today, people, yeah? Our good vibes, big up on yourself, same way, no? Yeah, man, our good vibes, man. I am you, man, Rastafari. That is it. All right, before I go across the road, people, yeah, I'm going to take you guys up here quickly and show you, look, as they've got a Fairfield Halls, a theatre, a college, you're not going to have a town without this either. Like, yes, it's got a courthouse, and it's got a normal courthouse, and it's got the big courthouse as well, the big boys. You understand? Let me just go over there quickly and show you guys what I've got. And that's just up this road here. So you guys have never seen this aspect of Croydon, so I'm just giving you guys a look at history. We're here, we're cooking all the time in Croydon, people, yeah? But I never really give you guys this part of Croydon, you understand? And give you guys a little bit of history about the place, you understand? Yeah, man, a good vibe. We're outside. You see down there, yeah? So that shows you that all of up here on the road surfaces, yeah, is hollow because you can walk underneath the ground. You understand? Where we are on top of the surface here, you can tell that you can go underneath it. Look, that's a flyover there. The cars are going straight down. You understand? So we're going to find the next tunnel, people, because we need to get across the road. And I need to show you that Nestle building close up as well, people. Yeah, that is it. Same time, there's some amazing skyscrapers and some buildings. These are apartments here in Croydon. So what we've got here, right in front of us here, people, yeah, is the Magistrate Court, and right round the corner beside it is the Crown Court. So all this building here is the Magistrate Court, people, yeah? So let me show you. As you can see, look, as much as Croydon is such a big city and whatnot, you still get mashed down and popped down parts of Croydon. You understand, people, yeah? Where are we there right now? Have you ever been into a courthouse before for any personal reasons or whatnot, yeah? All right. So from this day on, you understand? We rebuke all of them things there right now because we are living a goodness, peace and love. So you understand? Anybody that's under any form of jewelry or whatnot that's on the channel right now, we burn a fire for now and we send out the prayer said way, yeah? So cause man must be free, woman must be free. So yes, this is the Croydon Law Courts, Barclay Road, and you've got the Crown Courts just around the corner. I'm not gonna go around there, but as you can see, they're right next to each other, people, yeah? Alright. So my young youths them and the young girls them, the young boys them, and everybody, yeah man, we could keep the love and keep the peace, cause we don't need to that no court. We don't need to have our youths them at no Croydon Youth Court as well. The Croydon Youth Court is connected to the Magistrate Court and the Crown Court. Alright, we're going to go back down the road now because we need to go across to that building and I need to show you guys where I go on. Remember, there's something underneath the tunnel. You understand? Everyone that's watching right now, yeah, wish my mum a very happy birthday as well, people, yeah. It's her birthday this week, you understand? So I'm gonna go and check mumsy as well. So, and she also, my mum likes to do a lot of knitting and stuff like that, yeah. So big her up because she's the one that made me this. I thought I'd wear it today because it's really, really cold tonight. So yeah, mummy's keeping me warm with her scarf that she made for me. You understand? So a good vibe. Big up yourself, and it's got the vibe spanning, you know. See it? All right, that is it. Representation, people, yeah. All right, happy birthday to mum, people, yeah. All right, everybody wish mum a happy birthday, please. Thank you very much. Good vibes. And we're outside. The mission continues, people, yeah. Yeah, man, just a different. He's going somewhere, innit? Yeah, man, just a little something. It is a must for you guys to get the essentials about the town that we actually. People hear the dangerous sides of Croydon. Yes, Croydon has dangerous moments, just like every other city that's had dangerous moments. You understand? Some more than some. You understand? But Croydon's got a lot of significant history buried underneath it, or buried within the lost of people's minds, because people don't try to get to know where they are, or what they are part, or what city they live in, or what the city offers, and what's happening inside the city that they're living in as well, people, yeah? But you know what I go on? I go on telling you what I go on. That is it. Alright, people, yeah, so, yeah, man. Alright, this part here is locked off. Okay, so you see that they've locked off parts of it, so let's go around the other side. You see down there, yeah, so that shows you that all of up here on the road surfaces, yeah, is hollow, because you can walk underneath the ground. You understand? Where we are on top of the surface here, you can tell that you can go underneath it. Look, that's a flyover there. The cars are going straight down. You understand? So we're gonna find the next tunnel, people, because we need to get across the road. And I need to show you that Nestle building close up as well, people. Yeah, that is it. Taking a trip on the ground, people. Yeah, man, I'm vibes. Cars come underneath here, but like I said to you, these are underground spots, people, yeah, that a lot of people don't know about, or may not necessarily know about, people, yeah. But as you can see, it's an open space. It's a big open space, people, yeah. These two people just parked up. They're probably thinking, what am I doing under here? I'm thinking, what are they doing under here at the same time? But yeah, man, we're there, people, yeah. A good vibes. I just want to show you this underground setup, this massive underground setup right here in Croydon, people, yeah. A good vibes. Sometimes you have people camping out and sleeping out down here. No, you don't want to get caught up down here, people, yeah. You understand? As you can see that, show you. This is someone's belongings, someone's set up here, someone lives under here. Who lives here? You understand? So I'm showing you in and around different parts of Croydon. You won't know people here until you travel out. You see the lights, I'm turning off slowly, coming out. You understand? They're on timer. Look, drifting out, and it gets dark under here as well. It's only because I'm here, standing here while these lights are on. Yes, people. So yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're there. So I'll show you this whole setup, and remember that there's roads and everything on top of us, people, yeah. So yeah, man, let me go back to this side here, because we're gonna go to the other side, remember, yeah. So our good vibes. there. Smells rank underneath there. Yes, big man, you alright? Yeah. This was once a nightclub back in the day. If you ever know about the nightclub called the Blue Orchid, it got closed down after incidents happened here. But yeah, man, this point here, this must know about this people here. Oh, raw. It seems like there's some development going on in here with the Nestle building. Seems like they're going to turn it into flats. Yes, people, so this point here where I'm going underneath here right now, this here used to be like an arcade of shops, but is now derelict. Let me spin the camera around, people, yeah? This is also Croydon, though, people, yeah, that you guys have been seeing me in. You guys don't know this part of Croydon. The dark parts of Croydon, the parts of Croydon where hardly anybody ever come to, you understand? But also, right here is home to Croydon FM, people, yeah, 97.8 and 99.4 FM, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, do check out Croydon FM, you understand? Originals as well, people, yeah? Are good vibes. So could you imagine the time when Croydon was actually booming and so much was happening, you understand, people, yeah? When all these business places were active with stores, you understand? And over a period of time, it's just drifted. But as the place, wow, look, so you can see that somebody also lives in here as well, people. So there's homelessness all over the city. Like I said, underground there, where we just came from, there was a setup there, and there's a setup here. You understand, people? So we come out right here, and remember I said to you the clock tower, where this is where Croydon Library is. So could you imagine, this is also where the registration office is as well. So this is a significant building also in Croydon as well, people, yeah? All this land that's here is all derelict. There used to be a building that they're office buildings and things like that. I just come from down that end down there. The library, we've got the job centre right here behind us, and we've got the Queen's Garden right here. We're just going to go over to the Queen's Garden as well, people, yeah? All right, good vibes. Yes, people, so where we are right now, this is the Queen's Garden, people, yeah, it's called the Queen's Garden. Yeah, man, just thought I'd show you this little point here that's in town as well. This little garden here is actually a little nice garden still. It's not, you'd expect it to be part of what is run down in other sections of the town, but this is actually a very good rebuild that they've got here going on, people, yeah? So yeah, man, good vibes. Little activities them for the picnic them and whatnot. Apartments them here, right here, you understand? And also we've got the job centre, which is right opposite us right there as well. So as the town hall is right there, this building here is the town hall, this building here is the job centre, and as you can see, the Queen's Gardens right here, Fairfield Halls is right there, where them buses are going up that road up there. Further down, that's where the court is as well. So everything is all in one proximity, people, yeah? Everything is kind of like close to each other. You understand, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Let's just see the sign here. So, look, the sign's showing Surrey Street and the Town Hall. You understand? And over there, you can see the sign is showing Fairfield Halls. And there, public toilet play area. North End Town Hall. And what's it saying over here? It's saying Wandle Park, going that direction there. And it's Surrey Street, Croydon Town Hall, Surrey Street down there as well, people, yeah? So yeah, man, good vibes, big up yourself, people. One love to everybody. I hope you guys find this video useful, you understand? Good vibes. This bus here, the 407, that bus here is commuting you to Sutton. So Sutton's another town that we're gonna go to as well, one time, people, yeah? Good vibes. So this is Bernard Weatherhill House, yeah, which is the job centre, people, yeah. So it's got a very built up job centre. This part of town up here is already been redeveloped, and why the town is run down around it is because development is in process and it's taken years and years and years. So all that gentrification which is going on in and out Croydon, this is why it's going on, because the town is also under redevelopment. Things have been demolished and been rebuilt back up, people, yeah? Good vibes. How you doing, sir? You right?
I'm good, thank you, sir.
What's this building?
This is the town hall.
The town hall?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
That's all right.
Thank you. All right, people. Just wanted to show you guys inside of the town hall. Good vibes. The town hall, and also the library is connected to the town hall as well, people, yeah? Yeah, man. Croydon's town hall. Always good to look at some nice artwork, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, there's a few artwork in and around town as well, as in any other city. Good vibes, we're there. So if you've this little tour, this little insight of Croydon, people, yeah? Everyone that's been watching, let me know your views in the comment section, please, yeah? And put it in. Let me know what town you'd like me to take a venture out in next and show you guys around. I know a lot of people are watching from around the world, so bearing in mind you guys are not from the UK, what part of the UK and what city that I've been to would you like to just see something different from feeding the homeless? I'll just go out and I'll show you guys a little bit about the town, you understand, and a little bit of the history about the town, people, yeah? Yeah, man, good vibes still. So we're right here on the Croydon flyover, people, yeah? Yeah, man, so good vibes. As you can see, that cars come up and down and underneath this flyover, people, yeah? So that's the next part. That's the next part, or next thing. I could say that Croydon has got, the development of Croydon is vast because of the dynamics of what the city has got inside of it. There's a lot of high-rise buildings here in this city, people, yeah? Alright, good vibes. Tramlink services run out here along the main roads with normal vehicles, but they have their own lanes, people, yeah? Good vibes. So we're on the opposite end of the Whitgift Centre, and this main road here by the Whitgift Centre, people, yeah, this right opposite, the buildings right opposite us, this is Croydon Home Office. So Croydon's known for the Home Office as well in the UK. So people that are doing asylum seeking, all these type of stuff, they come to this building here, right opposite us, people, yeah? Apollo House right here, people, yeah? This is where the Home Office is, people, yeah? These buildings here are good vibes. You come to look about your passport, you have to go right over there, so people, yeah? Alright, are good vibes. You guys are probably thinking, what am I doing in here? Hold on 1 second. Oh my days. I had something to show you. I had the most amazing view to show you people, yeah? But they've blocked off the block off the hearted thing. Mad. I wanted to get on top of the roof, but because on top of this roof here, this is where I cooked the 25 kilogram dumpling. You need to go on my channel, people, yeah? You're on the channel now, you're watching, but you need to check out the 25 kilo dumpling that I did cook on top of this roof. I'm trying to see. Yeah, they've blocked off the last floor has been blocked off. People are serious. Yeah. Proper chained it up and all, the proper done their thing. Alright. Mad. Alright, I can't go no further, everyone, so I wanted to show you guys something, but that is it. Yes, people, just some next part of Croydon that you guys probably haven't seen before. But let me just go to this side here. Cross over here quickly. How good vibes. It's not high enough, it's not high enough. I wanted to give you guys the whole 360 view of Croydon, you understand? But they lock off the roof, people, yeah, so alright. We're on the journey, said way, big up yourself, people, yeah. We're still on the move, showing you different aspects, different sides of Croydon that you may not have seen, people, yeah. Just discovering it and I'm showing it to you guys, yeah. A good vibes. So as you can see, everyone here, the town here has a lot of high-rise buildings. So you know, you can tell, despite all the happenings and what's happening in and around Croydon, you know that something major is going to be happening in this city a few years from now, because it's under development. No city has big old high-rises like this, and there's a ghetto aspect to it. Yes, there's a ghetto aspect to it, but at the same time, people, yeah, the city is under development, said way, you understand? This is a parish church right here in the heart of town, right here, off the flyover, which is the bus, Croydon's bus terminal is right here as well, the bus station. This is St. Michael's and All Angels with the St. James Croydon, the church, St. Michael's Church. Right, yes, so people, yeah, are good vibes. This building, these two buildings here, they're quite fresh. They've just kind of like been completed, and people start to live in there as well. So I'm showing you. This used to be home to BT. British Telecommunication, this building here, but now they're called Me Flats, and they've changed them into flats. It's no longer BT, British Telecommunication headquarter. So this is where Croydon's bus terminal is, right here, people, yeah? West Croydon bus terminal. And I'll show you where we turn up, people, yeah? And this has had some development over the years as well. This whole bus terminal here, people. Yeah, man, have good vibes. Look at yourself, we're there. So I cut through the place anyway. West Croydon, and you've also got the tram station right there. There's a lot of things you can do in and around Croydon as well, you know. There's like, there's a place called Valley Park. One day we're gonna go over there and I'm gonna show you all the happenings. They've got arcades, bowling, all them kind of things there as well. You understand, people, yeah? I hope you guys enjoyed today. Good vibes. We're just up on a mission, man. I'm just showing you lot. Okay, this building's open up now. Let me just show you right here, because I've never seen this part here. This is fresh. It was boarded up, so it ain't come around here for a little while still. As you can see, it's completed this little section here. And like I said, despite whatever's happening, I could imagine that later on, these people probably get run out of here. And they build up, because they build up all these things here, these little shops here. These are the last little shops that's holding on this section right here, people, yeah. And as we come around from the bus station around here, I'm gonna walk around so that you guys can actually see it on camera. The walk, because a lot of the times you guys see me cooking around here. You understand? But I never go around that part. But you guys always see me cooking around this part of town. I know some of you guys can identify these checkered pavement, and this is the shopping centre, which is down there. We've gone down the shopping centre a lot and I've showed you guys the shopping centre and whatnot, so I left that. But as you can see, I just wanted to give you an idea of where we pan out. We pan out right back here, so at West Croydon station, people, yeah? Alright, our good vibes. Alright, so the main strip that we're on right here, this main road here is called West Croydon. Yes, this is West Croydon. But this main road here is called London Road. And this London Road here is what takes you all the way to Portneath Pond. It takes you down into Newbury, takes you to Streatham, and it also takes you all the way to Brixton. And if you follow this straight road here, it only bends and curves, but it's literally the same road. You understand? And you can take this all the way to Victoria, to Vauxhall, to Elephant and Castle. It's literally like a main road. All it does, it turns round and it joins onto another road, but it's leading off of this one road here, which ends and which starts right at the top right here. And a lot of happenings have happened right here in the heart of West Croydon on London Road, people. Yeah, it's no joke. You understand? Fatal incidents have happened here. More than 1, 2, 3 fatal incidents have happened right here on this road here. Another hot road here in Croydon, people. Yeah, this road's hot like fire. It's Derby Road, people. Yeah, you understand? It's very quiet now. But at times, from time to time, like you go to any city and any place, from time to time, you don't know when activities are happening, but a lot of the time when activities do happen, they happen around the same type of area. Croydon also has some hidden spots down this way. We're gonna take a look and walk through another time, people, yeah? But right now, we're there, so our good vibes. Big up everybody that's been on the program. Yo, Well, go on, big up, man.
No, man.
Bless.
I saw your series, you know, man.
Yeah,
You're doing really well.
thank you very much.
I'm still living down there.
Yeah? One love.
Bless you, one love.
Ble-
I'm going to see you one day.
Yeah? Bless, thank you. Look at that, a good vibes. Yeah, man, a good vibes. So, yeah, like I said, people, yeah, the Old Fox and Hounds, this is a significant pub right here in the heart of West Croydon. You understand? Look, you must know about this, look. Roadrunners, they've been representing Croydon for years and years and years, people, yeah, and they've got the name Roadrunners, and you must know that that's a taxi firm. You understand? And they've been dealing with this area here, people, yeah. Our good vibes, one love to each and every one of you. We're there, West Croydon, the unseen Croydon people, yeah, that a lot of people hasn't seen. We just show it to you. Our good vibes. And we're just there up on the front line. As you can see, there's a lot of homeless people out here in Croydon. So I'll be out with the kitchen very soon. Are you not going up to night watch?
YouTuber, where's that?
Up by the by Queen's Park.
What time is it?
Now?
No, I don't go there.
You don't go there? You're not feeling their food, are you?
I like your food.
My food?
Your
Don't worry,
food's
my
well.
food's out tomorrow.
I'll come to see you tomorrow if I don't want their food.
Yeah? Alright, bless up, yeah?
Take care,
One love.
yeah.
Bless.
You're well, you know, man.
Thank you.
Take care, yeah.
Yes, our good vibes, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, our good vibes in us, where we are, look. That's Croydon's estate down that road there. Big up yourself, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed the journey today. You understand? One love to each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people, yeah? That is it. Our good vibes. Next time you see Ringo Vision with the Pondy Mission. All right, our good vibes. Somebody lives here. Right here. As you can see, that's parked off right here. He goes in here. This is his little shelter here. That's a house there, people, yeah? All right, 1 second. We're outside, and I just thought I didn't show you guys this section here. All these little sections. This is another home that's right here in Croydon, people, yeah? So as you can see, that the living conditions is right here underneath the flyover as well. And next section of the flyover, and this is where somebody lives. You understand, people, yeah? So the conditions of inside of the city, yeah? You see nice parts. You see the college. You see the university. You understand? You see them sections there, but then at the same time, you see somebody, his home is right here. So the humanity does need help out here, people, yeah? And that's why we're on a mission. You understand? Big up yourselves. Each and every one of you that's on the journey with us are good vibes. The mindset that you have to be out here, you have to have a very, very, very strong mindset. You understand? Just to keep going. You understand? It's cold. It gets wet. There's outside noise that you constantly have to hear. The sirens, all sorts, people, yeah? You understand? And you have to make yourself comfortable and get on with life. So I just want to say to each and every one of you that has got a roof over your head, including myself, we are very blessed. You understand? And there are people out here that is facing like really, really disastrous conditions and living conditions, just like this one here. Look at all the things. This is somebody's belongings right here on the side of the road, people, yeah? In Royal Mail's car park. This is Royal Mail's car park, so there's 2 homes in here, one right there and one right here. We're gonna be out in your city one day, people, yeah? So yeah, man, just stay tuned. The mission continues, and like I said before, your health is your wealth. You understand, people, yeah? Look after yourself mentally and physically, you understand? And if you are going through whatever you're going through, take your time. You understand? You understand? Take your time and tell yourself, say, good vibes. And just work with the good positive energy. Allow the good positive energy to just come inside, you understand, and be around you, you understand? block out all negativity. You understand, people, yeah? So one love to each and every one of you that's watching right now. We're there, we're outside. Big up yourself.